Hello all, and welcome to this section entitled Drawing with JavaFX. In this section, we'll talk about lines, rectangles, and circles, and it will go like this. We'll start with text, then we'll go over some text effects. We'll talk about how to draw lines, and we'll draw one. And also we'll draw some shapes like circles, rectangles. We'll have a little exercise and a solution. In this video, we will talk about text and we'll see how we can add text to a JavaFX user interface. As you can see, I have created a project called JavaFX text and renamed the fxml document to text. Now, let's double click on the fxml document. And as you can see, I have removed the button and the label. Now, you should type in text in here. Take this one, drag and drop it in the center. Double click on it, and let's call it my JavaFX text. And let's call it my JavaFX text. Great. Now, in order for you to modify this text, if you go to properties right here, you can see the font here. So if you click on it, there are certain options you can change for the text that we have just added. You can change the size, for example. Set it to 24. You can change the font family. Let's pick, for example, Corbel. And also you can change the style to bold or bold italic. There are also a lot of options here that you can change, like text alignment and text color. But for the text color, let's go and do it from the code side and do it from NetBeans. So the first thing we need to do is go to code, and let's call it text. Let's go to NetBeans and change this label here to text and call this one also text. Let's go to initialize and try to modify the color of the text. And let's give it a blue color. If you notice here we have two blue colors, so one coming from Java awt.color and the other one from. So if you notice here we have three blue colors. Make sure to import the blue package that's coming from JavaFX scene.paint.color. Let's save, let's run the project, and as you can see, the text is blue. Now let's go back to Scene Builder and save, go back to NetBeans and run it again. After we've saved the changes we made to the font from the Scene Builder, you can see that the text have changed its color and also its font and family.